day here with the Zabb Cooking School. We're so excited. We just picked our dishes. We're currently at the market, and then we're going to head over to the school and start making our food. But right now the market has everything. They gave us a little bit of time to shop, so let's go shop.
Hanging on a weekend, it was done because.
Okay, right now we're choosing the menu together for everyone. So our team is up 9 people. Okay. Yes. About 9 people here. Please tell me. First question: who have like allergic food today?
No, he's not allergic.
Okay. Can you ever? Today we are the same team. Okay, don't fight each other.
We just finished shopping, and we are officially on our way to the cooking school.
I will give you about like 10 minutes, everyone, and then we'll meet at the kitchen.
We made it. We just sat down at the cooking school, and we're gonna do the intro little class thing. This place is stunning.
Beautiful.
Obsessed.
And then we'll break like for the long time just a little bit, and then we will cook round 3. It's our dessert and the cherry. And please take the apron, okay, and put on the apron first. Yeah, both like the stir fry and deep fried menu. This is made from palm flower juice. We can add into the curry. This.
Okay. Spicy.
First one is sweet.
Oh gosh.
Stand in front of the wall, take the spatula, master. Sous chef, please take the bowl.
What do we got going on over here? You turned it on?
We're turned up to the max right
Cool,
now.
we're at max.
Yes. And
First bite,
okay, first bite.
so I don't burn my mouth.
Yeah, be careful.
Really good as well. It looks like that's a big structure.
Really hot, yeah.
Yeah. But it's very fresh, so maybe it's like.
1 through 10.
What is in papaya? Where is it?
Should work with cabbage.
Cabbage doesn't have that much flavor, right? So I feel like that would be the same. Yeah.
So it's like a,
Or zucchini or something.
You know, the fresh spring roll.
Was it hard to pull?
no,
No,
pretty
not
easy.
really.
Is the same
one-
wrapper as the
This one looks thinner.
Okay, right now we'll start with the pot 1 first, and we have more ingredients that we use the same for every menu. It's garlic. Right now, everyone please grab the garlic in 1 grab, 5 to 8 pieces.
5 to 8. One grab, one grab.
3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, and everyone, this one Thai garlic don't need to peel off. Okay. We prepare like this. Gentle way. Okay, just crush it. 1 by 1. Crush it and you can chop into small. Or maybe if you want to the angry way, okay, you can group some garlic together and then you can break it like this.
Oh, I like that. Oh no, I'm not strong enough.
Step back 1 step. Okay. Yeah, feel the 60% a little bit now. Please sit down. Come on. Okay. We have a see-through window in front of you right now. Keep your plate inside there. How about you? Feel sexy? I work
Me a little more sexy.
1.6.
Yeah.
Slow down. Move everything up.
No, literally.
Okay, when I changed it, okay. Alright, here we go.
You're already on my mind when it gets late. I always be
No.
We try it. No, we try it.
Try it.
it's no secret. All my friends already know.
Kami tapi kan tenang.
Hold it back, I let it show. All my feelings.
She said she sometimes eats the stir fry with the soup. I think it should be fun. So try that. Perfect bite.
Let the music play like a drug. I am hooked on you.
Got our pictures. And I think recipes are on here.
I think everything.
There we are.